anything. And if you boost my server, you will get added by the Roblox queen herself. Come join me, besties. I am waiting there, haha. Now let's get into the video. You already know the entire story of how Schlep is a good person, saving kids on Roblox. I made a video on it a few days ago of how he's a bad person, but I just got new information, besties. Schlep is BFF with a pedo. Schlep even texted me today to take down my videos cause they're annoying. Here is proof, besties. Like, that's so hurtful, hun. At least I don't act like a kid to hunt down innocent people. I decided to confront him about being friends with a pedo. The fact that he said he's a good guy. It's insane. And the fact that he said people change, everyone does mistakes, while talking about a pedo is insane. I don't understand.